Year 1, I hope you're all okay. This week for maths we are learning about position and direction. So we're going to be thinking about quarter turns, half turns, full turns, and then left, right, forwards and backwards. Now, I need some help for this. So I have got someone really important to show you. Let's have a look. Everybody say hello to Yuffie. Now she is our new robot. She's our newest member of the family and she is going to help us today with position and direction. She's going to be able to turn the way that we need her to go, and there's some arrows on the floor for her to follow. So we're going to need to direct her to where she needs to go. So before we start Yuffie on her journey around the floor, we need to remind ourselves just of that key vocabulary. So remember, our left, we can make an U shape with our left hand, and with our right hand, we can't. Okay, it's a backwards U. So if you can't remember to get your hands out when we get to those arrows so that we can help Yuffie around the floor. So let's just remind ourselves of what forwards, backwards, left, right are. Okay, so forwards, we know Yuffie is facing forwards and we can move her forwards just like that. Okay, and if I wanted her to go backwards, she doesn't like going backwards very often, but if I wanted her to go backwards, I know she can just move backwards like that. If I want her to go right, I have got to turn her using this button here, okay? The right button. Remember to get your finger out, okay? And show your backwards L shape with your fingers. So if I wanted her to turn right, she can turn right that way, okay? And let's get her back forward. And if I wanted her to turn left, remember to get your hand out again and show me the L. And I can press this button here, the left hand button, and she can turn that way. Yuffie also needs to know her full turns, her half turns and her quarter turns. So a full turn, if she does a full turn, where's she going to end up? She's going to end up back at the start. So Yuffie, can you do a full turn to show everybody, please? Go, Yuffie. Well done. What about a half turn? Where's she going to end up if she does half a turn? She's going to end up halfway around. Well done, Yuffie. Let's go back to the start. And if she does a quarter turn, which way is she going to end up? There's two places that she can end up. If she does a quarter turn to the right, she's going to go this way. Well done, Yuffie. And then if she does a quarter turn to the left, where's she going to end up then? So we're left, that way is the left. Well done, Yuffie. The direction that we're going to need, everybody, is it forwards or backwards that we're going to need to send Yuffie? What do you think? We need to get to that arrow over there. We're going to need to move forwards. So Yuffie, let's move forwards then. So I'm pressing this button here to move her forwards. Oh, we've got to an arrow. Which way is that arrow pointing? Is it pointing left or is it pointing right? Get your hand out. It is, it's right. So we're going to have to turn a quarter turn to the right. So I'm going to press this button here. Okay, and let's turn her a quarter turn. Oh, that's not quite a quarter. There we go. Okay, now, which way do we need to walk now? That's it, we need to go forward. So forwards, Yuffie. Oh, okay, we have got to another arrow. Which way is that? Is that left or right, everybody? It is right, so I'm going to turn her right. Now she needs to do another quarter turn to the right. and she's moved the arrow out of the way as well. Okay, now we need to move forwards. Oh, we've got to another arrow. Which way is that? Is that left or right? Remember to check with your hands. It is, and we need to turn a quarter turn to the left. Okay, so we're turning left, and it's a quarter turn to the left. So let's try then, Yuffie. Good girl. Okay. Right, so she needs to go forwards now. Okay, which way round are we going now? Are we going left or are we going right? It is left, well done. And are we doing a quarter turn or a half turn, do you think? We're doing a quarter turn, well done. So Yuffie, you need to turn a quarter turn to the left. Good girl. Okay, right, I am going to leave Yuffie now. So I want you to watch her and have a go at thinking which way she is going to need to go. Is she going to need to go left or is she going to need to go right? Okay, I've made it slightly harder for Yuffie now. So, as you can see on the arrow, we've still got the left or the right arrow, but it tells you how much turn to make. So what does that say on that one? It does, it says she needs to make a quarter turn. And is she going left or right? She is, she's going right. So Yuffie, you need to do a quarter turn to the right. Well done. Okay, let's have a look at the next one then. So you need to go forwards, Yuffie. Good girl. And what's the next one? So it's another quarter turn, but which way does she need to go? Good, she needs to go to the left. So a quarter turn to the left, Yuffie. Good girl. So she now needs to do half a turn. And which way is that facing? Is it facing left or right? So is she going left or right? She is, she's going left, half a turn. So she's going to end up by my feet, hopefully. So half a turn then, Yuffie. Good girl. And the last one over on the carpet. we are doing half a turn to the left or to the right. We're going to the right, so half a turn to the right, Yuffie. Oh, Yuffie, I don't think you're going the right way. Let's go back to the start. Right, she needs to go half a turn to the right. Good girl. Okay, we're back in the kitchen, so let's go forward, Yuffie. Ooh, we've reached another arrow. What does that one say, everybody? It does. It says a full turn. And is she going to the left or the right? Good. She's going to the left and she's making a full turn. So where do you think she's going to end up facing? Is she going to be facing that way? Is she going to be facing me? Is she going to be facing that way? Or is she going to be facing that way? What do you think? She is. She's going to hopefully be back where she started. Have a go then, Yuffie. Full turn to the left. Good girl. This is your final challenge, everybody, and then Yuffie needs to go to sleep. So, we have got 3 quarter turns now. Is she going to the left or the right? She is. She's going to the right. What does 3 quarter turns mean, though? So have a think about what 1 quarter would look like. Let's do that, Yuffie, to show everybody. That's right, so that's 1 quarter. Okay, so if I wanted her to do 3 of those quarter turns, she's going to have to do 3 times what she's just done. So let's have a go then, Yuffie. Count with me, everybody, so that she's done 3. So 1, 2, 3. Time for Yuffie to go back to sleep now. So let's say bye to Yuffie, and I'm going to press this button here so that she can go all the way over to her home on her own. I hope you enjoyed our journey with Yuffie, everybody. Now, I can't wait to see what mazes and what things you create with your families at home. It'd be lovely to see all of your maps of your house so that you can show me your understanding of position and direction. See you soon.